Hi guys, today we're going to be making a rustic chicken and mushroom pie. 3 tablespoons oil, 3 chicken breasts, fry until the color changes and the water begins to dry up. Add 300 grams of mushrooms. Add half a small chopped onion. Add salt and pepper to taste. When the water dries, add 1 heaped tablespoon of flour. Mix well and cook for a couple of minutes. Then add 500 milliliters of milk really slowly. Adding the milk slowly prevents lumps. Trust me, you don't want lumps. Add 1 cup chicken stock or vegetable stock, that's entirely up to you. Cook until thickened. When the roux sauce is ready, it should coat the back of a spoon. This recipe calls for a rough puff pastry. I have a separate video for this, where you can learn how to make this puff pastry within 15 minutes. You need to roll out this dough until it's 1/4 of an inch thick. As you can see, even in my video, it's quite difficult to roll it out, so just take it slowly and roll it out to your desired thickness. Pour your cooled pie filling into a Pyrex dish and then cover it with a layer of the puff pastry. Add any design that you want and then just brush it over with an egg wash. Bake at 200 for 30 minutes. Make sure the oven is really hot, otherwise the puff pastry will not rise. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next.